I don't know who needs to hear this, but I must say it. If you have WhatsApp in your country and you are not using WhatsApp in your business, then you are leaving money on the table. I'm just saying, you are leaving money on the table. WhatsApp is the best way to sell your products and services because it is the world's most popular messaging app. So if you didn't know, now you know. Hi everyone, and I am Raquel, and in this video I will talk about why WhatsApp is the best way to sell your product. Okay, so let's get into it. You will want to watch this video till the end because I will be sharing a lot of tips and tricks that definitely worked for me. I'm just saying, but if this is your type of video, please feel free to subscribe. It's free. So subscribe. So first of all, let us talk about its wide reach. Okay, so WhatsApp has approximately over 2 billion users in the world. Okay, so that is a wide range of potential customer for you. Am I right? Okay, but personally for me, I love WhatsApp because I'm able to reach most of the persons in my country because almost everyone uses WhatsApp. And you guys know that WhatsApp is owned by Meta. Yes. So it's easy for me to advertise my products on Facebook and Instagram and as well as WhatsApp. Right. And I also use Facebook. I run little booster ads, not even the full ads we pay $5 a day. No, I pay a $1 booster ad and I run my ad and I reach my potential customers easy peasy. Okay, but of course I will use that to build my clientele by asking persons if I can save their number and message them anytime I have any new products or promotions that I think they should, be aware of. Right, and I save that in a group. Okay, so when I save that, most persons save my information. So anytime I post something on my WhatsApp status, persons will automatically message me, tell me, hey, I want this. So next, let us look at the personalization of WhatsApp. Guys, WhatsApp allows you to talk to your customers on a one-to-one basis. I know if you're running a large company, you will not be able to do that. However, Meta already have something in place for the enterprise, the large businesses. But if you're a small person, a small business person, just like me, an entrepreneur, definitely WhatsApp will greatly benefit you guys because when I actually speak to my customers one-on-one, I make more sales. Right? So I'm able to answer the questions immediately, right? And I am able to, basically satisfy all the curiosities and able to send additional pictures if they like. I even model some of the items and take pictures and send it to them. And guys, they buy. My customers buy. So guys, I think the next topic is convenience. I think we actually touch on convenience in the personalization part. It's much easier for my customers to reach me. Since it's very easy, I do not put a time limit when I should and shouldn't respond to questions, like office hours between 8 and 9. I actually have that, but I don't stick to it. I guess since you're an entrepreneur, it's kind of hard to set that boundaries when you use that messaging app, right? And it's always at your fingertip, basically. So it's easy for you to respond. And I usually, during the off season, so when I mean off season, like when it's not Christmas or Mother's Day or Father's Day, Valentine's, I basically allow the message to wait until I'm ready to respond. However, when it is during the high peak season, I respond immediately. So if the message comes in at 10 o'clock and I am up and about working, I will respond, guys. I know it's bad. However, you can set your limits. But the good thing is when I respond, the quicker you respond, the quicker you make the sale. What I realize is that the longer I take to respond, they take longer to respond back to you and they tend to forget you. So, or they tend not to respond or they change their minds and so forth. But the quicker you respond, the quicker you get back a response, or you close the sale. So our next reason why you should use WhatsApp is due to the low cost. Okay, so WhatsApp app is free to everyone, and WhatsApp business is free as well to everyone. So it is in your best interest if you download the app, the WhatsApp business, for your business, and use it. On the customer's path, they don't have any additional costs when they message you using WhatsApp as opposed to SMS. I think that is widely used in the US. However, SMS is an additional cost here in the Caribbean. It is very expensive. It's a cost that you probably really don't want. If you have to count your expenses, texting, and no, that is something you really don't want to add as a customer, right? However, WhatsApp is free, and basically most persons use the internet. Yes, they use the internet. So it is no additional cost to them to communicate with you when they have internet connection. And most persons, they do have access to internet at home, or if they go in a public place, they have access to internet there. Some persons actually use the mobile data. So it is like a double whammy. When you have your phone package, you use that, you use WhatsApp to get all the text messages, where we say text messages, WhatsApp messages. And most persons, most persons in my country, as long as you have WhatsApp, text or SMS is basically dead. Another reason why you would want to use WhatsApp in your business. So guys, another reason why you would want to use WhatsApp in your business is for the multifunctionality of WhatsApp. Yes, guys, you can send audio message. You can, of course, send your written text message. You can send files or share files. You can do polls. You can send a plethora of items, stuff. And as a business, you can create a lovely catalog on WhatsApp. Yes. And in that catalog, you can insert all your products. And when persons ask you about the products, you can actually send the entire catalog, or you can select specific items in the catalog and send to your customers. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? Okay, and another aspect that I love is location. Guys, since most persons in my country, they don't really purchase locally on websites. I know we sound ancient, but that's how it is. So they prefer to pay on delivery. So basically, when I have to deliver the item to them, they will send me their location via WhatsApp, which is a lovely feature that WhatsApp has. And basically, I use that to find them. And that is so cool. So the next feature is easy integration. WhatsApp API is easy to integrate with CRM, e-commerce platform, or websites, which can be used to automate sales processes and customer service. So for the API aspect, you will have to work along with Meta for that. There's a form on WhatsApp website where you can send that information to them, about the business size, etc., and they will work with you. So the next reason to use WhatsApp is increase customer engagement. Guys, so using WhatsApp as a sales channel would definitely increase customer engagement and loyalty. So it makes your customer feel valued and heard. And of course, when customers are feeling valued and heard, it will lead to repeated business, right? So they will come back again to purchase from you. And I've had several experiences with that, because when customers ask me questions pertaining to, let's say, earrings for kids, and the earring that they selected is not something I think is appropriate for a child or a baby. So I will let them know, hey, this is not appropriate for a baby. And you may want to select something such as right? And guess what? That customer, she was so grateful that she bought everything I've selected, which was 4 items, and she only came for 2 items. Can you believe that? And not only that, I've had a customer come back to me several times because I responded to her. She would see different ads on Facebook. She would ask questions and nobody would, respond to her. And I was the one who responded the fastest. And guess what? My product was the most expensive and she bought from me. And she's a customer all these years. She is still buying from me. I have another story of a customer who actually bought from me, and the first time she bought from me, she said, "You know what? This actually looks like what I saw online on Facebook." And she was like, "You know what? I will continue buying from you." And she has been a customer of mine for about 4 years now. So guys, I'm saying this to say that WhatsApp works. If you're a small business and you're not using WhatsApp, guys, you are losing out, right? You have to integrate WhatsApp in your business. It is a must. It will help you keep that interaction with your customers. And if you are someone who don't like to do customer service, well, I'm sorry for you, you will lose money. I don't mean to be rude, but it is the truth, right? If you don't like to communicate with persons or answer questions, and it is a back and forth, it's a full-time job. Responding to queries is a full-time job, but it pays at the end. Okay, so I guess you'll have to develop a routine. I've done so. I've created a nice routine just yesterday. I don't have any ads running. Could you imagine that? I don't have any ads running, and a customer messaged me and said, "Hey, I would like to buy such and such." And I was like, wow, because of my catalog. And she purchased the item from the catalog. From Christmas, I didn't get a chance to update my catalog with stuff that was in stock as opposed to those that's out of stock. So I didn't update anything. So she basically purchased a few items and that was out of stock. And she asked me to, send her the items that were in stock. And I simply went back to the catalog and sent her back the items that was in stock, and she picked from there. Guys, in one day I made $255, and I know that is not a lot, but every week since after Christmas I have been selling, right? And I have been selling because my catalog is set up in WhatsApp, and I actually post on WhatsApp status all the time. I do. Okay, you guys. So the trick with using WhatsApp, even though you are not running an ad or boost post, the trick is to always post something on your status, your WhatsApp status every now and again. It is so simple. All you have to do is go into settings and WhatsApp status, and you post some pictures or videos. And if you do TikTok, it's a perfect way to repurpose your TikTok videos or your reel videos. And the good thing is you can post the reels or the TikTok videos several times. So it doesn't matter if it was used last week or the day before, you can still continue to post that because not everyone will go through the entire status. Sometimes I post all 30, 40, 50 items there, and persons, they will not go through all. I can easily tell that they will go through some of them. And the videos are the ones that actually, would have them hooked. Okay? And most of the time they purchase anything that have a video. I know I've had some really nice Bluetooth watches, and guys, these were going for $400, and I posted a lovely video I did on TikTok. And for the entire season, the Christmas season, I've posted videos on that. And guys, within about a week and a half, all the watches were gone. Right? So people love to see video, and the video on WhatsApp status, it works. It works. So I want you guys to basically, check out, if you want to know more about how you can use WhatsApp in your business strategy, your overall business strategy, look at the videos here, and they would give you more information on how to use WhatsApp status. And also I shared how I made $1,500 in 2 weeks using WhatsApp. So it's just a little mini playlist, and you can just go watch that. Okay, I would like you to tell me if this is something that you might integrate into your business. Let me know All right, so just let me know if you will be using WhatsApp in your business more often, okay? And if you like the video, let me know that you like the video so I can actually provide you more information on how you can use WhatsApp in your business.